Yan, super init guys. Super init dito sa Spain. Yeah. Super init dito guys. Even though it's 7. No, not 7. Actually, it's just 5 and 14. I feel sleepy actually. Actually, they have what is that? Is shopping mall where I'm not used to kind of go to shopping. We are lazy to go to shopping mall. But there's here in Spain, there's a lot of shopping mall. Guys, yeah. Yan siya. Matagal ako hindi nakaka-vlog guys kasi super busy namin sa kitchen namin. Yeah. Yung jowa ko lang yung nag-a-assemble kaya medyo natagalan. Yan siya. Maganda yung light ng sun, nakaka-beauty siya. Yan. Ipakita ko yung Marelore kasi nandito na tayo. We go first in MediaMarkt. We're gonna go first in MediaMarkt. As usual, we need to use mask. That's the thing, is really but it's kailangan talaga mag-mask kasi para safe, walang ano yan ba? What is it you're gonna park there? Yeah, and we're gonna go to MediaMarkt guys, and then our laptop is still not coming because there's
You have to get out.
Really? This is now?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna get out. Hindi pa dumating yung laptop namin sa MediaMarkt. Nakakainis. Wala man lang wala man lang update. Sana yun. Yung pera namin hindi pa hindi pa dumating. Yan siya. Yan guys. Medyo. Magpa-park muna kami. Ay, the mask. I wish that we have a stick, honey.
Oh yeah.
So it's more easy. Yun siya guys, we're gonna go to MediaMarkt to check the fridge, and we're gonna also check the laptop,
For guys, the one for me.
Yeah, the measure. Wala namin bumili ng bagong laptop pero hindi pa ngayon kasi nag-wait pa kami sa but let's see, maybe we can we buy it and then we just gonna wait the refund. It's too stupid because hindi nila inano yung refund namin at hindi pa dumating yung laptop at wala silang update. Yan. We're gonna go to inside. But that's the fridge one. We're inside now, guys. Yan siya. Kailangan talaga mag-mask. That's the balay. Just we like the fridge. This is what we like. The fridge. Actually, they are on sale. Yan ang gusto namin. Super nosy ng biscuit dito eh. Can you open one? Wow. Times we are like. Yeah. Actually, it's really big for the. Yeah. It's really nice. Balay is also the same in LG. Malabo. Han. It's also nice the LG, huh?
Yeah, it is.
The LG. But we like the Balay because it's yeah, it's
Very
cool.
good thing, but the banana is precious.
Yeah. Malabo. Actually, this is Balay too. Very small. Yeah. Do you see the song of MediaMarkt? Actually, we prefer a big because they have a freezer. Yan siya, guys. What is this? Both also nice. But it's super big. Super big ng both. Honey, how is the back of the balay? Really? Yeah, there's no room.
How it's gonna be? It's
It's
just
very nice,
it's just
honey.
display outside.
Yeah. What can we do about the?
Well, we can put it in. We just have to take everything away.
We like this one because it's glass. Glass siya. Yeah. There's also what we don't like. Look how nice. Glass kasi siya. This is also very nice, honey.
Yeah, this one is very good.
It's also very big. Very heavy.
Very good.
They also have here, no? Maybe you like it here, honey. But this one is more a little bit expensive.
Yeah, it's a little bit. But you remember what we gave, do you?
No.
No. It was not 500. It was not 600.
How much?
I think it was 550, 545.
Really? Yan siya, guys. So dito yung fridge. Yan ang fridge. At yung sink natin dito. It's the same place lang din siya. Hindi siya nag-vlog para makita niyo yun. Yan. Dito siya, guys. Dishwasher. And dito is lutuan. And this one is, dito siya, lutuan. Tapos oven and dishwasher. Yan. Ito siya. Table na siya. Yan. Table siya. Yan. Maganda yung stone na nahanap namin, guys. Ito mga, yan ito. Mga drawers. And may drawers din sa up. Yan. Yan. May drawers din siya sa up. Hindi pa siya buo kasi si Jowa lang yung nag-assemble. Medyo marami siya details, guys. Yan. Ito yung pinaka-problema namin kasi ito yung lalabas yung mga dirty dito. Ito yung namin problema kasi yung fridge na bibilihin namin, medyo malaki talaga siya. Yan, malaki siya. Yan. Super ganda to pag na na to, guys, na pag na-done na to talaga. Pag na-finish na yan. Yung mga materials, yan. Maganda yung wood natin is a pure tawag yun, pure wood talaga siya. Hindi pa talaga siya buo kasi super dami siyang details. Actually makita niyo yung old picture ng kitchen namin. Print down namin siya kasi para siyang room. Yan, inopen namin siya para malaki siya. Ito, guys, ito na yung table natin, yung table. Yan. And then may cabinet siya diyan. Yan, cover yan. At meron tayong super nice na mosaic dito sa ating walls. Yan, it's gonna be nice to finish this one. And yan siya, guys. Super nice niya. Kasi pag nagluluto ako, makita ko na yung view. Tingnan. Super nice kapag nabuo na to yung kitchen na to. Hopefully this month na mabuo natin to. At tingnan niyo, magluluto ako dito. And super nice ng view. Yan siya. Super katag ng bahay, guys. Kinip namin yung ano, yan. Yan ang floor namin. Bagong floor kasi break yung ibang floor. Yung tiles. Yan. Yan siya, guys. Yung fridge, ibenta na. Ibenta yung mga gamit. At lahat is new. Lahat yung plate. Tingnan natin kung may gusto, magamit or something. Yan. Yan siya, guys. Super ganda na kasi super ano na malinaw. Ay, yung ano, super laki na, guys. Yung ano, kasi na-open na namin yung kitchen. Yeah. Super nice na ito kapag nag-ano, guys. Kapag na-finish na talaga yung kitchen. Yan. Yan siya. Yan, pababa. Yan. Diba? Ang ganda na. Yan. 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 Super nice. Yan. Yan siya. Yan. Yan ang kitchen in the future. Yan. Of course, this one we're gonna cover the nice wood. Yan. Yan, guys. Yan siya. Yan siya, guys. Hindi ako masyadong nakaka-vlog kasi super busy. Super busy namin dito. Especially yung nag-breakdown yung wall kasi maraming dust. Naglilinis kami. Kasi yung dust. Super naglilinis talaga kami. Yan siya. Kahapon pumunta tayo sa MediaMarkt, diba? Pumunta tayo sa MediaMarkt at mini-measure namin yung fridge kasi nagka-problema kami sa may liyo. Yan. Yun nga. Tapos nagpumili ako ng bagong laptop at ipakita ko yun, i-review ko. Super nice siya. It's a brand is Lenovo. Yeah. Ito siya, guys, yung mukha ko, namin siya kasi bite siya na lamok. Alam mo yung lamok. Ewan ko, baka kasi nag-use kasi kami sa kitchen ng neighbor namin. Baka doon ako nagka-bite asa dito sa may. Yan. Sensitive kasi ako pag nagpa-bite ng mga lamok. Yan. Pag lamok kasi matagal yan nawawala. Yan. Yan. Dito din lamok. Yan siya. Super stress. Diba? Kasi si Jowa lang. Kasi may na-hire kami na mag-assemble nito. Tapos natakot si Jowa kasi takot yung boyfriend ko baka hindi siya marunong at yung things namin is expensive kasi wood siya. Baka magkamali yung measurement. Yan. Alam yung Jowa ko, measure talaga yung natagalan, guys. Super measure niya yung mga angle lang ganyan. Yan. Kaya super tagal. Bahala siya. Siya nagmamaniho nito. Siya nag-assemble. Minsan, pag nag-assemble kami sa drawers, tinutulungan ko naman siya kasi madali lang. Yung pag-measure. Yan. Pero in the future, malapit na din siya. Sabi niya, malapit na daw ito matapos. Pag matapos na to yung kitchen, bibili kami ng bagong dog. Yan. So that's why super excited ko na matapos to. Kasi bibili kami ng 2 German Shepherd. Yan. And yun lang yung vlog natin, guys. Yung fridge natin. I'm so excited to buy it. We buy it online kasi wala lang stock doon sa MediaMarkt. Ayan. Yeah. We buy it online and then sinus namin yung fridge kasi glass siya. Hindi na namin siya integrated. Yan. Super nice ng fridge natin. I'm so excited. All is gonna be new. Also new are, lutuan is white and also the oven white and then the brand is also nice. We're gonna buy it nice. And we're gonna also buy a new plate and bowls and like that. It's like a new cup one. Yeah. Because it's been long time also this house that is not, it's been 5 years, I think. Yeah. He want to be invest because in the future he wanted to buy it. He wanted to buy it. He wanted to sell it and then it's nice the product there and it's good quality the kitchen and it's nice. That's why it's also investment. Okay. And yun lang yung vlog natin, guys, and hope you enjoy. Yeah. And yeah, I'm so happy that nakaka-vlog ako today and hope you have it's Sunday. Have a nice weekend there and see you in my next vlog. Bye.